Automotive manufacturer Lotus announced the Theory 1, a concept car that the company expects to set the stage for its smart performance vehicles. Built on a new design manifesto called the Lotus Theory, the automaker stated that the Theory 1 will, quote, harmoniously fit around the driver and adapt based on their needs. Lotus designed the Theory 1 with 10 main A-surface materials, including recycled chopped carbon fiber, polyester, rubber, and aluminum. The nearly 3,500-pound vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 2.5 seconds and features a top speed of about 198 miles per hour. Other specs include a 70 kilowatt-hour battery capacity and a WLTP combined range of 250 miles. Lotus incorporated a unique design by making the car a 3-seater with a central driving position and a passenger on each side located behind the driver. The automaker also developed its own driver system called Lotus Wear. The system offers 5 drive modes: Tour, Range, Individual, Sport, and Track, as well as screens, projections, and haptics. The haptics, developed in collaboration with Motorskins, involve a soft and lightweight robotic textile material that communicates with the driver through inflatable pods on the seating and steering wheel. The pods react in real time to provide grip, support, and prompts, such as pulses on the sides of the wheel to indicate when the driver should make a turn. Additionally, 3D printed lattice structure headrests, made in partnership with Carbon, reduce weight, improve material efficiency, and feature a binaural audio system. A portion of the driving system is the Lotus Wear technology line, a communication device that operates inside and outside the vehicle. It includes integrated OLED technology that displays functions of the vehicle status and detects other cars and pedestrians. The technology line also features a 360-degree autonomous driving sensor suite that scans for obstacles at a radius of up to 656 feet, even in low light or inclement weather. To enhance handling, speed, and performance, Lotus implemented active and passive aerodynamic techniques, including cooling, active rear spoiler, and passive rear underbody. Additional features include a nose cone with diffuser and drag-reducing air deflectors, a contoured underfloor that directs air through low-drag ducts into the cooling system, side pods that isolate turbulent wake from the attached airflow, and a rear wing that ensures the downforce acts directly on the suspension mounts all the way to the tires. Lotus stressed that the Theory 1 is not for sale and is merely a concept car. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.